Yeah. I don't know what is wrong, cause I see Mykie and Johnny walking in the street. It's a sad story. Mykie's grandfather want to burn the house, and Mykie thinks it's cool cause she's looking like a bitch. Mykie, I don't know what's wrong. Are you a guy or a fucking peach? Where's your ass, woman? She want to take a picture cause she fuck herself. I don't. Yeah. A girl that really fuck herself is a hobo ho. Like Santa Claus screaming ho ho ho. Look at Agnes, acting like a backstabbing sadness. Are you sad, bitch? I can't blame you. Yo, course Mykie's whole family just a bunch of prostitutes. Hurry up. Now, I wanna smoke weed, make the fucking zone. Look at Mykie's looking me like says you want to escape. Let me tell you, Mykie, I'm not your fucking pimp. Love to sell your pussy, but I'm not interested. That pussy is smelling like a dead dog. Dog has passed away. Okay, I think humans really should wash it. Mykie's grandmother, she want to eat the grandfather's pension, so he is getting mad, and he want his fucking pension. That's why he want to burn the house down. Yesterday, me and Nell and Obafu met. We saw Mykie at a Blom spot. She was drinking Skull. She and a black friend, they were loving it. Yeah, and she's missing Danny. Danny used to fuck Mykie back at the ass. Have you ever seen Mykie's ass? Her ass is on the fucking hips. Yeah. That's what made of baby.